Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Emily stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we're going to be alternating making a single crochet in the next stitch and then a half double in the next one. So into this first stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next one, a half double. Then you're going to start repeating from this single. In this next stitch, make a single crochet. In the next one, make a half double. In the next one, make a single crochet. In the next one, make a half double. So you can now see how this sequence is going to go. You're going to make a single crochet in the next stitch and then a half double in the next one for the rest of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we made all of these double crochet stitches. We're just working into stitches instead of chains. So starting into the second stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Emily stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.